Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the API water softener pillow looks intact and is within its usable date. Once done, position it over a sink or basin and prepare 1/2 gallon of clean water. Keep a towel handy to catch drips. You then remove the pillow from the sealed pouch and give it a quick rinse under cold tap water for 5 to 10 seconds to remove loose particulates. This step primes the media so it begins softening quickly when you place it in the aquarium. You now place the rinsed pillow into the aquarium system where flow passes around it, ideally near the filter intake or in the sump chamber. Make sure the pillow sits fully submerged and is held in place so water circulates across the entire surface rather than bypassing it. Once positioned, the ion exchange media activates as water flows through. Expect the most noticeable softening within the first 24 hours. Make sure to test general hardness, and you finish by scheduling regular replacements. Plan for every 4 to 6 weeks or sooner if your hardness tests rebound. If you notice a sudden loss of softening, first check that flow rate is steady and the pillow remains fully immersed and unobstructed. Next, confirm you did not exceed the pillow's capacity by treating too much water or very hard source water. If problems persist, swap in a fresh pillow and retest. Avoid boiling or harsh chemicals on the media, because that destroys the ion exchange beads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.